welcome back to my channel. Today we have a friend. Oh, this friend is lost. She's lost. Today I'm gonna have a narrative for you with Pinyin Chinese and English subtitles to help you learn how to talk about our dogs in Chinese. If you're a beginner, I have the simple sentence structures and words in the info box for you that you can use to talk about your dogs. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. 那我们开始吧。这是我朋友的狗狗，它的名字叫 Maggie。她是一只小母狗，她今年5岁了。它是一只纯种的美国猎狐犬，是我的朋友2年前领养的。Maggie 很活泼，也很安静。她活泼的时候喜欢玩，喜欢到处跑，喜欢跟主人去徒步旅行。她安静的时候喜欢趴在沙发上看电视。它是一只挑食的狗狗，它不喜欢吃花生酱，但它喜欢吃我包的饺子。别看它个头很大，它是一个胆小的小姑娘。一打雷下雨，它就会搂着它的毛绒玩具躲起来。现在 Maggie 在接受训练，很快它就会变成一只治疗犬。到那时候，它就会帮到更多的人。好啦 ，Maggie， 我们说再见吧。再见。If you like this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to support us. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. 再见，再见。